video is going to be something quite familiar on my channel. It's an unboxing of the monthly subscription shampoo edition Formulate. I previously ordered the subscription, the shampoo subscription on my channel about a week ago. And with my unboxing, I had some of my products that were spilled out all into the box. It was not properly sealed or whatever, or with the shipping, it was banged up. But I called and spoke with my formulation technician, and voila, she replaced my shampoo. And I just wanted to go over and do a second unboxing, because the first unboxing I kind of just told you how it was with my unboxing and how everything went. And I just wanted to come back in this video and let you know that, excuse me, they did make things right and send me a second formulation. Like I said, there's three different kind of bottles, 3 different kind of sizes you can buy this in, and it is a small, medium, or large type of deal. I got the small because I was just trying it out for the first time. All you have to do is just go on their website, scroll, fill out all the information concerning your hair and the issues and the goals that you want for your hair, and they will concoct you a super cool shampoo combination, and it'll be specifically for you. So without that being said, I'm just gonna go over it. This was sent, maybe she put it on Expedient, so I got it in about 3 to 4 days. Again, we're gonna go through the unboxing process together on camera. And this is the box. This is my shampoo. It comes with some pamphlets, some personalized pamphlets for you. And here is the shampoo. So without everything, but let me just go back over it again. Okay, again, they sent me a little card for some money off of the smilebright.com teeth formulate customers. Wait, it says exclusive teeth whitening offer for oh, it's a teeth whitening offer specifically for us Formulate customers. Then we have here, which is just a pamphlet telling you about everything going on. For the front just says who your technician is, who your chemist is, and just gives a little bit of information about your shampoo. When you open up the brochure, you will see on excuse me, on the left hand side, this is me. This is all the things about my hair. This is where I want to go with my hair. What the things I struggle with. On the bottom is how I will get there to my struggle, to help my struggle areas. On the right side of the pamphlet, of course, is just the top is my smell that I chose and the ingredient insights on the ingredients that are in my shampoo formula. It will also tell you on the back when my formula, I don't know if you can see that, but when my formula was concocted, as well as the size and all of the ingredients that are in my shampoo. There's a lot of ingredients in my shampoo and conditioner. And second of all, here we go. This is the boxing of it. Of course, again, I have my conditioner and I have my shampoo. So I'm just going to give you a quick look. These are 4-ounce bottles. Because I dyed my hair this honey blonde color, I have a debrasser in my shampoo, which is the purple, but it has the orange Burmese. Is it Burmese? Virgin. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Don't quote me on that. But this is my shampoo. And of course, this is my conditioner. It smells so good. So good. This time around, everything is clean and clear. No spillage in the box. Like I said, I just basically called them and told them that my shampoo has spilled out in the box. They immediately got on the ball and told me they were sending me out a new formulation of the same shampoo that I purchased the first time. So I was very appreciative to that, because they didn't have to do it, but they wanted to make right on their situation, and I give them a plus for customer service because, like I said, the formulation technician that reached out to me, her name was Casey, and she was just like on the ball. She was great. And I thought that was a really good gesture to make sure that I was completely satisfied with my purchase. So if you are on a hair journey, beginning a hair journey, in the midst of a hair journey, you have some issues with your hair, go check out the Formulate product. It is a super cool. I tried it once already. And the conditioner, oh my God, I love the conditioner. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. It had a texture to my hair that was amazing. Absolutely amazing. And if you are not already a customer, what are you waiting for? Go become a customer of Formulate because this product may change your life. I've seen a whole bunch of testimonies that were good, but I've not known those people in particular myself. So I just don't go off of reviews I see on the internet because some people get paid to say this is a nice product. I'm going to tell you the 100% truth because I don't get paid to tell you about these products. I purchase these products with my own money, and I'm going to give a real review on them. But anyways, thank you for watching your girl's channel. If you're not already subscribed, we're waiting for. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when your girl drop another banging video. And of course, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the share button. And always, thanks for watching, YouTube.